Hi, I'm Mr. Aris J. Sailog discussing about navigating the web. First, we're going to identify what is the web. The World Wide Web is a collection of electronic documents linked together like a spider web. These documents are stored on computers called servers located around the world. The web has evolved into a global electronic publishing medium and a medium for conducting electronic commerce. What is the web made of? The web consists of your personal computer, web browser software to access the web, a connection to Internet Service Provider or ISP, the servers to host the data, routers and switches to direct the flow of data. How the web works. Web pages are stored on the web servers located around the world. Entering the Uniform Resource Locator or the URL of a web page in your web browser or clicking a link and send a request to a server that hosts the page. The servers transmit the web page data to your computer and your web browser display it on your screen. Internet users are extremely positive about search engine and the experiences they have when searching the internet. But these same satisfied internet users are generally unsophisticated about why and how they use search engines. They are also strikingly unaware of how search engines operate and how they present their results. Internet users behave conservatively as searchers. They tend to settle quickly on a single search engine and then stick with it, rather than switching as search technology evolves or comparing results from different search system. Some 44% of searchers regularly use just one engine, and another 48% use just two or three. Nearly half of searchers use a search engines no more than a few times a week, and two-thirds say they could walk away from search engine without upsetting their lives very much. Internet users trust their favorite search engines, but few say they are aware of the financial incentive that affect how search engines perform and how they present their search result. Only 38% of users are aware of the distinction between paid or sponsored result and unpaid result, and only one in six they say they can always tell which results are paid or sponsored and which are not. This finding is ironic since nearly half of all users say they would stop using search engine if they thought engines were not being cleared about how they presented paid result. So customers use the web as a service medium, and they go to website to perform a specific task. The web may also be only one medium a customer relies on during their overall service experience. We can categorize what customers want to do on the web under five doing areas as follows. 1. Evaluate competing businesses and product. Number 2. Select product and transact with e-service providers. 3. Get help. 4. Provide feedback. Number 5. Stay tuned in as a customers. These five areas are all important. Customers will operate in one area more than another at a given point in time, depending on where they are at with what they trying to do. We can think of the five areas as a rough progression, from evaluating businesses and products to becoming customers to receiving after sales support and information. Thank you and have a good day.